I was recently on Ramsey Blankenship's podcast called Real Estate Investing, and he asked me about proof of funds and why proof of funds are asked for by brokers. What's the importance of them? How are they used? What happens if you're a syndication and you don't have a proof of funds yet because you have to raise the funds to close on the deal? How do you bring a level of comfort to the seller when you don't have the proof of funds yet? We dive deep on this bad boy. Stick around. Let's go!
One thing that a document that I get asked for that bruises my bananas, right, is whenever a broker asks for proof of funds when they know we're syndicators. We're going to raise the funds. They're not in a bank account. What proof of funds are they looking for? Are they looking for the liquidity for the EMD? The schedule of real estate owned should show we do this, right? We syndicate, we buy large apartment complexes.
Yeah.
But I've been asked for proof of funds, and I've started telling brokers, I'm not giving you a proof of funds. I'll show you the proof of funds. I'll show you the proof of what we've closed on, but don't ask for my proof of funds. Am I out of line or those brokers not real?
Yeah. So, I mean, it's deal by deal, right? So if you've got a hot asset and you got a lot of really good buyers for it, an easy way to disqualify someone is someone who has to go out and raise funds. A lot of the really big syndications do carry around some significant liquidity that they keep in the account for those occasions. Now, to get around it, I wouldn't just be, as a reply, and I'm not going to supply this to you, but kind of go around. Hey, I know that you're looking for surety of close. I know that's important. We want to make you look good, Mr. Broker, to Mr. Seller. And so here are the last 4 transactions we've done. We raised the capital in the first 6 days. Here are the 3 lenders we work with. They can talk to our ability to close and the kind of deposits and deals that we've done with them. Here are the last 2 brokers we've done deals with. That's what you can do as backup. But you want to give them a peace of mind that you raise equity very quickly. And here's our track record. Otherwise, they're trying to disqualify you.
Does soft commits hold any water?
If there's a track record. Sure.
All right.
That's really what it's about. We just want to be able to, when we're having our conversations in the best and final with the seller, and the seller asks, Beau, among the best offers, right? So we had 12 offers. Here's the 5 guys that are really damn good. Of these 5 guys, who's the guy that's going to show up to closing? Yeah. Is it going to be the guy who has to raise money for the first 2 weeks of his 30-day due diligence? Or is it going to be the guy who already has $8 million liquid in his account? I'm just saying, I know that's not you right now, but it depends on the asset. And in order to get around it, if you're up against some of those $8 million liquid guys, you have to be able to provide that comfort that you're going to be there.
Yeah,
it's just putting your seller hat on.